Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is yet another review and unboxing of a pair of Nike SBs. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Shout out to N Clothing, who I was able to win a raffle from. And as you guys can see already, we have the Nike SB Night of Mischief. So these were kind of rare because of the fact that they weren't released to the public via Nike sneakers app. And instead they were at local skate shops and at boutiques. So if you guys want a pair, good for you guys. But yeah, that's one of the only methods where you were able to cop from. So there's a lot of people saying that these are reminiscent of a pair of Nike SBs from the past called the Day of the Deads. And I think that it's very, very similar because of the color scheme. Just the details are much more different. So just taking a look at them, you can see that both pairs, the left and right shoe, have some differences. But one of the things that they share in common is they have pretty much little perforations that show almost like pumpkin carvings. So you see that design on the toe box. You're adorned with a black, orange, volt, purple colorway throughout the whole entire shoe, which makes it pretty cool. And as you guys can see right here, you guys get 3 pairs of laces, purple stock laces, orange, and this volt yellow pair of laces. So that's cool. On the tongue, you guys can see that the Nike SB is almost dripping with some type of design, dripping of the swoosh. And as you guys can see, inside the sole is of a pumpkin. So you can't really go in there, but the innards of a pumpkin is what the sole is like. So let's take a look at the right pair. You have your traditional swoosh in orange. At the very towards the back heel, you actually have a spider coming down from its web. You have the web design behind the orange swoosh, and on the back you have, on the heel, it says treat. And let's just jump to the back of the tongue. You have a ghost. And then on the medial side, it's almost the same, minus the spider and the spider web. You have a volt greenish, almost translucent sole, which makes it really cool. So that there you have it with the right pair. On the left pair, it's almost exactly the same silhouette. The only difference with this pair is the fact that it has trick on the heel. You still have your ghost right there, and when you put them together, you actually have them say trick and treat. So there you guys have it, Night of Mischief Nike SBs that were released on October 31st and a little bit prior to that at your local skate shops. If you guys have any questions and you enjoyed this video, definitely hit the thumbs up button. If you have questions, leave them in the comment box, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks guys. We'll catch you guys after the wear.